Welcome to this class where we want to look at a tool called Wireshark. Now, Wireshark is used to capture data from the network. So here, to demonstrate that, I've got the two computers. So this computer here is the Windows 7, and this is the vulnerable operating system, which is Ubuntu. And so this is Linux. So this is Linux operating system. So here, what is going to happen is we are going to send a ping with a -N1 to the IP address of the Linux, which is 10.10.12. So I've forgotten the IP address for this. So let's find out its IP. So we'll click there. So let's check what the IP is. So the IP here is 10.10.10.12.2072. So that's the IP will be sending our ping, so it will be 72. So what we want to do here is the ping program will send one packet to this IP address. This IP address is already recorded here on the boundary. So think of a road. This is at a roundabout. So at the roundabout, here is where the details of the who goes through the roundabout here, which is the router, is recorded. So as soon as we send it this way, the information here in the small database, it will tell us that this packet needs to go either this way, if it is the shortest way, and off it goes to ping the vulnerable operating system, the Ubuntu. Because we have sent a ping request, we are going to receive a ping reply. So the ping reply will also pass through here, and it might take that way, and it will go into this computer there, and we are going to receive one packet. So we are going to transmit one packet, and we are going to receive one packet. So what we want to do is Wireshark here in between. Let's use another different color. The Wireshark will sniff both of the packets, the one going and also the one going back. So this will be the destination. This other package uh, will be the source. So that's the source and destination. So Wireshark is going to record two packets, one from the source and one from the destination. And it will also record that these are ICMP. Then we are going to view, and the hacker here will be able to see the conversation which is going across here. So that is what is going to happen here, or rather what we intend to do. So to get the Wireshark, we have to go to the internet. So let's get rid of everything we have, right? So this is the Wireshark. You just need to type Wireshark. So Wireshark can be installed in Linux and also in Windows and Mac OS. So here I will just go on the download. And here we have got the Windows x64 installer. So that's the one we are after. And we'll be looking at version 4.2.0. Now with like another program, when you install it, this one has got dependency, which is NCAP. It's an application to be able so that it can scan. But sometimes there might be certain packages or requirements which needs to be satisfied, and maybe they might not be available on your operating system. So be ready either to go to other release like here 4.0.11. So we'll see if we can be able to install this, then that's fine. If not, then we'll get the npcap driver to also install, but most of the time they come together. So here, as you can see, the Wireshark has been downloaded. So we'll go here in the downloads folder, and we'll just double click. So we'll minimize this window just to make it clear. Then I'll bring the Wireshark. So we are installing it in our Windows here. Then I'll just click next. Then here to accept the agreement, you just put noted. Then next. So this is what we are going to install. And as you can see, there is also other tools you could use, and there is also an Android dump. So that would be interesting. I'll just add it. Let's just add the other tools because we could be able to use them. Then next, then I'll also choose to have an icon on the desktop. Then we install Wireshark. As you can see here, there is npcap, which is the driver. So next, then we also want for the USB, which is bcap 1.5.4.0. Then we install those. So I'll just pause whilst it's downloading there just to save some time. So as the Wireshark is being installed, it will also, as I mentioned already, that it will need the npcap from nmap. So here we'll agree. We'll also click the WinCap API. So we'll install that. So the Nmap program, later on we are also going to use it extensively to, so I'll demonstrate that as we are going to be now exploiting the Metasploitable tool. Then so you have to watch the window as it is some of the other programs which needs to be installed, they will come up. So like this one now is the actual that's the driver. So here let's install this. We'll put always, we are installing it. So you can see some of the other drivers filter being installed. We can show the details here just to show what kind of programs are being installed so that we could have all the Wireshark running. And Wireshark can be used in data centers, including the service provider, so it can take lots of uh, data. So here we'll finish this small wizard, then we should see this window also coming. So accept that, next, accept the terms and conditions, next, then next again, then install. So as you can see, we are installing here the USB pickup 1.5.4.0, which we are installing here. So that one is finished. We'll close. As you can see here, now other programs are being installed. So here you can see installation complete successful. So we'll go next. So here we can reboot it manually because this is the computer I'm using here. So just keep, I want to manually reboot, then we finish. So that's Wireshark installed. So in the next video, we'll just go straight into starting Wireshark and sniffing the the program we want, which is the ping, as the ping request going to the Metasploitable. So with that, I thank you for viewing.